Question number 14 is a grammar question on punctuation. And if you wanted to simplify this crazy long sentence, it would be something like, Tilt made it an icon attracting visitors, which is a great way to do it because you're not comma splicing. A comma is, when it separates different clauses, the comma should have an independent and then a dependent, or a dependent and independent. You should have one of each. And remember, an independent clause is a clause that could stand on its own as a full, complete sentence. Dependents cannot. What you don't want to have, the thing that is incorrect to do would be to have an independent clause and then an independent clause. If you have a full and complete set of words that could stand on their own as a sentence here, and then the same thing after it, what you need is a period. Just put a period here. You have a sentence and a sentence, or at the very least a semicolon. But you should not have a comma. That's what's called comma splicing. And if you leave it the way it is, you've got a complete sentence here and a complete sentence before and a complete sentence after. So that's why it's a comma splice. If you change this to a semicolon, it would be great. Furthermore, answer choice C, not only does it have a comma splice, but it furthermore has its, and the possessive is not needed. You don't need it right here. This actually fails the semicolon test because you would need an independent before and independent after clause. And what we have is an independent clause before, and then a semicolon, and then a dependent clause. So it's just saying attracting visitors from all over who flock to Pisa. That would be a dependent clause because it's not a complete sentence. You would need a comma here and then attracting, which is what answer choice B is.